We also want our agentic AI applications to have lower latency. We want faster response. We want faster response. So lower latency means faster response. It should be very quick, lower cost. It should be cheap and better real-time user experience, smooth interaction. But now lower latency, it comes with a cost of shallower reasoning. So if we are focusing on lower latency, then we cannot expect deep reasoning, because if we want fast response, then the reasoning has to be shallow. So if we are aiming for lower latency, we have to adjust with shallower reasoning. So shallower reasoning will be very quick, but it may be wrong. It make the model might make more mistakes if we are focusing for quick responses and less complex planning. So if we are reducing the latency, if we are looking for faster response, we are compromising the capability. So shallower reasoning, more mistakes, less complex planning.